Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show a dish which is very special to me. This is the dish that my mom cooked for me when I'm sick. And forget about stir frying or pan fried scrambled eggs. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some steamed egg. This is the perfect dish from 2-year-old to 92-year-old with or without braces, healthy or feeling a little bit under the weather. This might be your next favorite dish. Let's first check out our 5 ingredients for today. Okay, our first ingredients, of course, steamed egg. We're gonna use 2 large eggs. And next, you're gonna chop up some green onions, just the green part. And the next ingredient is optional, but this is the dried shrimp that my mom usually put in my egg, which I really love the flavor. It just brings out the whole dish. And for seasoning, we got some soy sauce, Lê Cấm Cay soy sauce. We also have some Chinese vinegar and sesame oil. All right, now let's get into cooking. First, we're gonna break the 2 eggs into a bowl. This is super easy to make as long as you know how to beat an egg, then you can be a chef of this dish. Now let's grab your chopsticks. Just gonna quick beat up your egg. How to turn yourself into a human egg beater. You can even spin the bowl and just enjoy cooking. Spin the bowl, beat the eggs. And next, here is the fun part. We are gonna go strain the egg. Well, actually, let's add half cup of water first. All right, for 2 eggs, we're gonna add half cup of water. Just put it in and do a quick stir. All right, our next step is to strain the eggs into a fancy bowl of your choice. I got the strainer right here. This step is optional too. I personally prefer not to strain my egg because I enjoy the bubbly texture that I have when I eat my egg. But some people prefer a very smooth textures. So I'm gonna show you how to make the smooth eggs. We'll strain the eggs. This might take a while. And next step, we're gonna put in some dried shrimp. Just sprinkle it into your egg liquid, just like that. Don't be shy, just put in all the dried shrimp in. You can also get the dried shrimp from the supermarket. All right, there we have our egg liquid. Next step is you're gonna boil some water. Get your steamer ready. I have it on the stove. Okay, when our water is boiling, we're gonna put the egg into our steamer. Here's a little trick that I wanna share with you. When you put the little bowl in, try to cover it with a little plate so no more steaming, the water will not fall into your bowl to dilute the egg liquid. There we go. Let's cover it and set your timer for 13 minutes. Then you're done. Let's just wait for the egg. All right, time's up. Let's take a look at our eggs. Alright, the last step is to season our eggs. It really depends on your personal taste, but I'm gonna show you how I season my egg. I usually put in 1 tablespoon of the vinegar, half teaspoon of soy sauce, because it's pretty salty, so I'm not putting a lot, just half teaspoon. And the final ingredient is our sesame oil. I'll do 1/4 teaspoon, just a tiny little bit. And then you can sprinkle some green onions just for decoration. Look at that, how beautiful it is. There you have it, that's our Chinese steamed eggs. I usually eat them just by cutting it. It's really fun to eat. You can even play a tic-tac-toe with it. Just tic-tac-toe, tic-tac-toe. There we go. You can share it with your family, loved ones. Cook for them, then they're feeling a little bit under the weather. This can be a great, fun dish for the whole family. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. See you next time. Bye.